Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon tutorials. In this today's session we are going to continue with our paper solution of this checkpoint, and the paper that in the previous video I have solved some question number 1 to question number 8 of this particular paper, that is 1112 paper 01 October 216, right? Now, from question number 9, we'll start this today's video. In this today's video, we are going to start from chapter number question number 9. Okay, so let us get started. The question number 9 says that work out the lowest common multiple of 6 and 10. So you have to basically find LCM of 6 and 10. Okay, LCM of 6 and 10. So there are many methods of doing this. The best one is let us go by this method, that is division method. So 6 and 10 I'll take 2 3s are 2 5s are. Okay. Now 3 1s are, and 5 I'll keep as it is. And then I'll take 5. So 5, I'll repeat this 1 over here, and 5 1s are 5. Okay. So until I get 1 1 at the bottom, okay, I have to keep on doing it. So now the LCM will be this thing. Okay. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 5 into 3 into 2 is 30. So LCM has to be 30. This is one of the method. There are many other methods. You can try any method to get this answer. That was question number 9. Question number 10 is the diagram shows the net of a cuboid. The area of some of the faces are shown. Now this is a net of a cuboid. That means when you fold this net, along these lines, you will get a cuboid. Okay, cuboid is a rectangular box, right? Now these are the dimensions given. So this number, certain numbers inside these boxes are indicating the areas. Okay, and the fill in the blank is showing the places which you have to fill up. Okay, so going by this net, this is 32 centimeters square. This face is 32 centimeters square, right? This one. So this has to be also 32 because this will be the opposite faces. Okay. Now this is 24. Opposite to this face, you have this face. So here also you'll write 24. Fine. Now this is 12 centimeters square. So opposite to this will be this face. So here also you can write 12, 24. Sorry, 12. Okay, not 24. This will also be 12. Okay, fine. Now what is remaining? Now this sides are remaining. Okay. Now if you go by this, okay, this is 12, right? 12 centimeters square. So and this is 24, right? So if I take this as 3 and this as 4, so 4 into 3 is 12. That is working. Okay, but let me check whether this 3 will work. So if this is 3, this will also be 3. Okay, and okay, so that is 3. So 3 4s are 12. Okay, now let us see what this length will be. Now this is 3. Okay, now the opposite face of this is this, so this will also be 3 and 3, right? Okay, now because this area is 24 and this is 3, so this has to be 8. So 8 3s are 24, right? So this is 8. Now let us check whether this 32 matches with this 8. So this area is 32, this length is 8. So 8 into 4 is 30. So this has to be 4, right? And this will be 4. Okay, this is 4. And fine, this you are not supposed to find. This is 4. Okay, now if this is 3, okay, this will be 3, right? This will also be 3. Okay, so this is 3 and this is 4, so this will be 4. Fine, so that's it. So we have completed the table. All the blanks we have filled up, and you are getting this as 3 centimeter. Okay, this is you are getting as 4 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This is 24. This is 32, and this is 12. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this particular question. That is question number 10. So you have to just see that the area works out. Okay. Another concept is the opposite faces will have the same area. Now, the next question is question number 11. Okay, now question number 11, he says the graph shows Sophia's journey from Santiago to Rancagua. Okay, so this is the journey from Santiago to Rancagua. Okay, and the y-axis is showing you the distance from this Santiago, and the x-axis is showing you the time. Okay, fine. On the x-axis you can see this is 1 p.m., this is 2 p.m. So between 1 and 2 this will be 1:30, so this will be 1:15. Okay, so the time axis can be read in this way. This is 1, 1:15, 1:30, 1:45, 2, 2:15, 2:30, 2:45, 3. That way it goes. Okay. Now let us see what are the questions, sub questions. Okay. Sub question A is another thing is telling is Shen travels the reverse journey from Renteria to Santiago. So there is a reverse journey taken by this fellow Shen. He leaves Renteria at 2:30 p.m. and arrives at Santiago at 5:15 p.m. He travels at a constant speed. Now when he travels at a constant speed, since this is a distance time graph, so it will be a straight line. Okay. So let us see. 2:30 p.m. he leaves Rentagua. Okay, so 2:30 p.m. I will mark it over here. This is 2:15. This is 2:30, right? Right. This is 2:30. Fine. And he arrives at Santiago at 5:15. So 5:15 will come over here. This is 5:15. Okay, it's 5:15. Well, let me write that. This is 5:15 p.m. and this is 2:30 p.m. Right? Okay. So if you go straight over here, okay, now this is his start. This starting place is this one, that is Santiago, and so I'll write this as Santiago, and this is okay. Now the distance from here to here is given over here on the y-axis. Okay, so at 2:30 p.m. he must be at a distance from Santiago. How much? 90. So I will take a point over here. Okay, yeah. This is the starting point of this fellow shell. Okay, and at 5:15 p.m. he reaches this point. Okay, so this is that point. Okay, 5:15 p.m. Now what I will do is I'll join these 2 points, so that will give me the graph of Shen's journey. So he has asked for Shen's journey, right? So Shen's journey from, it's a reverse journey from Rentagua to Santiago. Okay, so how I'll do that? Yeah, let me draw a okay, let us see. Now from here I will this is something I'll have to work out. Fine. Okay, so from here second okay, this will be roughly the graph. Okay, it will come to 5:15. Okay, and it will start from here. Okay, now I'm not good at this thing, so this will be the graph, but then this point should start from here. Okay, so this will be the straight line graph. Now that is the answer for your A part of the question. Draw a line on the graph to show the sense journey. Now B part of the question says that, is asking you write down the distance they were from Santiago when they passed each other. Now when they passed each other, this is that point when they passed each other. Okay, now this point is at what distance? So roughly you can see that here this distance is 50, isn't it? So the answer for the distance when they pass each other will be 50 kilometers. Okay, from Santiago, from the starting point, that is from the bottom. Okay, 50 kilometer will be the distance when they will be crossing each other. So that was question number 11. Now question number 12 is work out 2.55 into 3.6. Now since you are not supposed to use a calculator in this paper, what you can do is you just ignore the decimal point and just multiply the two numbers, 255 and 36. So 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carried, 6 5s are 30 plus 3, 33. So 3 carried again. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15. Right? Then 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 carried, and 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16, again 1 carried, and 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Right? So this is 0, this is 8, this is 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carried, 7, 8, 9. Now, this decimal point is in this number, it is after one place there's a decimal point. Here, I mean after decimal point you have to see how many places. So in this first number after decimal point there are 2 digits, and here in second number after decimal point there is 1 digit. Okay, so total after 3 digit you have to put a decimal point from right hand side. So 1, 2, and 3. So this will be the answer. 9.18 is the answer. Okay, for this particular question. That was 12th question. Now 13th question is the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 72. Work out the number of sides of this polygon. Now for a polygon, okay, for a regular polygon, 360 divided by the number of sides of the polygon is always equal to the exterior angle, isn't it? Equal to the exterior angle. This is the formula. So the exterior angle they have already given you 72. So 72 will be equal to 360 upon n. So they have asked you to find the number of sides of the polygon. So what will be the number of sides of the polygon? So n will be equal to 360 times 72, which works out to 72 into 5, right? So n is 5. So the number of sides of this polygon will be 5. Okay, that's a pentagon. That was question number 13. 14th, cross out the statement that is wrong. Now this is 48 divided by 20 equal to 48 divided by 2 into divided by 10. 48 divided by 2 divided by 10. Now 48 divided by 20 is, okay, you can write this way. Now this you can write as 48 divided by 2, and divided by 10 is multiplying by 1 by 10. Okay, now this works out to nothing but 48 by 20. Okay, so these two are same, left hand side and right hand side. So this is a correct statement. Okay, first one is a correct statement. Let us check the second one. 48 divided by 20 is equal to 48 into 5 divided by 100. Now 48 into 5 divided by 100 can be written in this way, and 5 will cut in this way, and it will get 20. So this is nothing but 48 divided by 20, which is there on the left hand side. So second statement is also correct. The third one is 48 divided by 20 is equal to 20 divided by 48. Now this never works. 48 divided by 20 is never equal to 20 divided by 48. No. So this is a wrong statement. Let us check the last one also. 48 divided by 20 is equal to 48 divided by 4 into 5. So 48 divided by 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, so this is a correct statement. 48 divided by 20 is equal to 48 divided by 20. So they have asked you to put a cross at the wrong statement. So this is the answer. All right. That was question number 14th. Now 15th is you have to work out this, right? So 3 minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 minus 5 by 7. So 3 minus 2 by 3 times 1 minus 5 by 7, right? You have to work out this. So this you can work out this way. 3 3s are 9 minus, this is 1 over. 2 ones are 2 upon 3 ones are 3, right? In this bracket it will be 1 minus 5. Okay, it's 5 up minus 7, right? So 7 minus 5, okay, upon 7 into 1 is 7, right? Next will be 9 minus 2 is 7 upon 3, and here you have 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 7. Okay, now 7 cuts and you get 2 upon 3 as your answer. So your answer will be 2 by 3. Okay, that was question number 15. And let us do one more question, that is question number 16. Okay, so question number 16 says that complete the table by ticking tick mark in the correct column from each measurement. Okay, now this is 1400 millimeters, and these are the columns you have to see. Now 1400 millimeters means how many liters? First let us see. Now here it is given all in liters. Okay, so you know that 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So 1400 ml will be equal to how many liters? So it will be 1400 upon 1000, which works out to 1.4 liter. Now 1400 millimeter is less than liter. No, it is 1.4 liter. So this is not correct. Equal to 1 liter. No, that is also incorrect. More than 1 liter. Yes, more than 1 liter is correct. So you have to put the tick mark at the correct column. Okay, so more than liter is correct. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube. Now 1000 centimeter cube, okay, is same as 1000. See, centimeter cube is nothing but ml only. Okay, so 1000 centimeter cube is same as 1000 ml, and 1000 ml is nothing but 1 liter. So this 1000 ml, 1000 centimeter cube is not less than 1 liter. It is not more than 1 liter. It is equal to 1 liter. We'll put a tick mark over here. Now coming to this is 1 lakh millimeter cube. Okay. Now 1 lakh millimeter cube will be less than 1 liter, more than 1 liter. Let us check. Okay. So what we'll do is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Millimeter cube. This I can write as 1 lakh millimeter cube is equal to 1 lakh, okay, into 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter, isn't it? Now 1 millimeter is 100 centimeter, right? So I'll write this as it is, 1 lakh into, this will be 100 centimeter. 1 millimeter, no, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter will be how many centimeter? It will be 1 upon 10. So in centimeters, I'm going to write as 1 upon 10. This will be 1 upon 10 centimeter, 1 upon 10 centimeter, and 1 upon 10 centimeter. Now this works out to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by, there are 10 cubes, so 1000. Okay. And this will become centimeter cube. Now this 0 I'll cut from here, 3 zeros and 3 zeros. So I get 100 centimeter cube, right? 100 centimeter cube. Now 100 centimeter cube is nothing but 100 ml. And 100 ml is neither equal to 1 liter nor more than 1 liter. It is less than 1 liter. So I'll put a tick mark over here. So that was question number 16, and in this today's session I will do only up to question number 16. In the next video I will proceed with question number 17 and we'll go on. So that's all for today's session. In this today's session we did from question number 9 to question number 16, some 8 questions we have done this time also in this video. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. Bye.